Hey everyone, welcome to K-Said single box break number 593 of 12-13 Upper Deck of the Cup. The last team that ended in this break was the Edmonton Oilers on July 19th at 8:39 p.m. Eastern Time. So we're just going to go to the current date and time page, click reload. It's currently Saturday, July 19th at 11:40 p.m. Eastern Time. We are live on Breakers TV here. Breaks 593. And this is box number 3 of 6, and our serial number tonight is NE199871041. So third box out of the case. And serial number NE199871041. Seal. Sealed. And just rest of the shrink wrap. It's pretty much once the seal is sealed. It's so good, but it's just been a habit of showing the entire box. So here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Some good old cup. 1041. So Upper Deck Ultimate back first. And there we go. So we start the break off with a Patrick Waugh Ultimate Base, $3.99 for the Habs. And a dual Ultimate Patches of Scott Glennie for the Dallas Stars. 37 of 65. Scott Glennie. 3 color on the bottom and just 1 color on the top. On to cup. Come on, plastic. No. Looks like we have a Brilliance here. So good luck, everybody. Camera. I just need it to focus. And we have a Jonathan Toews. It looks like the serial number's a little off sync there. Number 60 of 249. A wavy serial number for the Blackhawks. We have a 4 color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 breaks of Sean Hunwick for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Sean Hunwick for the Blue Jackets, 222 of 249. Pretty sure it's 222. Yep. And then we have a limited logos for the Toronto Maple Leaf. Carter Ashton, number 5 of 50. Carter Ashton. Our Brilliance is for the Edmonton Oilers of Wayne Gretzky. Wayne Gretzky, Brilliance autograph. Very nice hit there for Edmonton. So whoever has the Oilers, if you want tracking on this, just let me know and we'll make arrangements on it. Very nice hit there for Edmonton. And we have a Robert Mayer, 149 of 199 for the Habs. And finish the break off with a rookie patch auto of Casey Cizikas for the New York Islanders. We haven't seen too many of these. We went through a lot of cup. Casey Cizikas, number 249 for the Islanders. So whoever's Islanders, I can even message you the code if you like. So that concludes the break, guys. So very nice hit there for Edmonton. I'll show that one more time. before we log off. So that's like 4